The year is 1984. Before memes, before Wi-Fi, before the word selfie ruined humanity, and Apple drops the original Macintosh. It comes with something mind-blowing. A mouse, windows you can drag around, and fonts that didn't look like they were drawn by a typewriter having a breakdown. This sleek, friendly interface became the foundation for what we now call Mac OS. While Windows was out there trying to run on every toaster and fridge, Mac OS stayed exclusive, only running on Apple's own machines, like a designer jacket that refuses to fit anyone else. That's both its charm and its trap. How it works? Mac OS is built on Unix, which means under that pretty surface is a rock-solid, security-obsessed core. It's like a Zen monk wearing a Prada suit, calm, powerful, and stylishly minimal. Everything is polished, the animations glide like butter, and the system just feels smart. Pros? It's incredibly stable, nearly virus-proof, unless you go looking for trouble. And the design is so clean it practically exfoliates your soul. Plus, if you're into creative work, design, video, music, macOS is the industry darling. The synergy with iPhones, iPads, and AirPods is seamless, like Apple built an ecosystem and said, "Good luck leaving." Cons? Oh, it's pricey. Apple will charge you half a kidney for a laptop that doesn't even come with a charger brick anymore. And while it's sleek, it's also stubborn. You can't easily customize it, upgrade it, or even open it without voiding some cosmic Apple warranty law. Still, macOS is that one friend who shows up on time, dressed perfectly, and never crashes, but will also quietly judge you for using right-click.